Hello everyone. Welcome back to Alphas in Tech. Today's video is one of the biggest hiring updates because two top MNCs have started hiring. The first company is TCS with its AI Careers hiring initiative. The second company is Cognizant, which has started fresher hiring for the digital workplace practice service desk role. Both opportunities are completely different. So don't skip this video because I'll explain who can apply, the education details, selection process, important dates, and some important points that many candidates miss. Let's begin with TCS. TCS has officially launched its AI Careers hiring program. This hiring is for professionals who want to work in AI, data, cloud, cybersecurity, and other future technologies. The company is following a skill-first hiring approach, where your technical skills matter more than your job title. Selected candidates will work on future-ready technologies across pan-India. The hiring process has only two stages. The first stage is an online remote assessment. It is a 105-minute virtual test that you can take from your home. After registration, you'll receive the assessment link through your registered email within approximately 5 to 10 days. Once you receive the assessment link, you must complete it within 48 hours. Candidates who clear the assessment will be invited for a final in-person discussion at a TCS office or TCS Ion Test Center. After that comes onboarding, training, and project deployment. Now let's check who is eligible. For TCS AI Careers, candidates should have 4 years of full-time IT experience. You must have completed a full-time graduation or post-graduation degree recognized by AICTE or UGC. Candidates should also have hands-on experience in at least one of these technologies: Java, Python, C++, Embedded C, SQL, .NET, Angular, React, Node.js, Selenium, Informatica ETL, REST or SOAP web services, or HTML and CSS. If your skills match these technologies, this opportunity is definitely worth applying for. Now let's move to the Cognizant hiring update. Cognizant has started hiring freshers for the digital workplace practice service desk role across pan-India. This is an excellent opportunity for candidates looking to start their IT career. In this role, you'll provide technical support, troubleshoot hardware and software issues, resolve service desk tickets, and support end users. Some of the benefits include no service bond, higher education sponsorship from BITS Pilani for eligible candidates, night shift allowance, cab facilities, and performance-based rewards. Now let's check the education details. Candidates graduating in 2025 or 2026 from any 3-year full-time undergraduate degree can apply. Eligible degrees include BCom, BCA, BSc, BA, BBA, BMS, BVOC, and similar 3-year degree programs. Candidates should have at least 50% marks in Class 10, Class 12, Diploma, if applicable, and graduation. There should be no standing arrears at the time of joining. Candidates currently pursuing full-time postgraduate courses are not eligible. The application deadline is 15th July 2026, so apply as early as possible before registrations close. If you found today's hiring updates useful, don't wait until the last date. Apply as early as possible because assessment invitations are usually sent in batches. The official apply links are available in the description. If you're preparing for placements, off-campus drives, GenAI jobs, internships, apprenticeships, or mass hiring, make sure you subscribe to Alphas in Tech and turn on the notification bell. I upload daily verified IT job updates to help you get placed faster. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.